bimbo sa atin. At saka chicken manchu ball. Manchu balls. Yay! Don't eat your phone. You're so beautiful. Ganda yan! Nakaganito tayo. Alam mo naman. Ginawin. And let's go school again, ka-blessed.
And mommy say goodbye. And I say goodbye.
Oh, yes, of course.
Mommy say goodbye. Mommy say goodbye.
Yes.
Mommy, yeah.
Then your shoes is dirty again. Naka naman.
Back to school. Back to school. Ta-da!
Yay!
And my mom. No more that. That is not here. Back to school. Back to school. Ta-da!
So I don't know. Yeah. About it. Which is they have a like a 61 cable. Your husband, if you find out, you can come. You can catch up.
Hello, ka-blessed. Done our coffee with my
Sawadee ka.
friends.
No.
Here.
Hello.
She's Jenny.
See you.
Thanks. Ayan, ka-blessed. Uwi na tayo. Nakalipo tayo ng kape.
Bye. Everyone.
Bye! Sana all, diba? Yak! Yay! Yeah! I'm Baka Blessed. Let's go to Jenny's home. Yeah! Welcome to my vlog.
Hello.
Meet my new friends, Ka Blessed.
Yeah.
Yay! Our kids is our classmates. So we are classmates too.
Kind of.
Yeah.
We are classmates.
With a beautiful baby girl. So
Baby
ayan.
number 3.
Yeah, number 3, but she look, skinny. Yeah, see? She look never been.
Big bum.
She look never been.
Never been.
Never been touched.
Too
Never been
high.
kissed. Never been everything.
Never been.
Let's make fun.
Maybe I can light everywhere.
Welcome to Miss Jenny's house.
Welcome to my house.
Yay! Oh, see?
Hello, this is my house.
Oh. So this is her cutie house with nice wood heater. And of course, the baby is snoozing already. Ang cute ng bahay niya, di ba, ka-blessed? Parang siya lang cute. Oh. Same as the owner is cute. And with the artworks of her kids, look at that. Ang ganda. Wind catcher, if I'm not mistaken. And you know the things that looks familiar to me? That is monstera leaves.
What's the name?
Monstera plants. This is
This is fake.
Moana's leaves.
Fake, but this is
Yeah,
real.
yeah, still the same.
That's called Moana.
Okay, mga ka-blessed. Everything is done. I'm going home now. It's already 12 o'clock. Oh my God! 1:45. Sorry.
No.
Baby! Bye-bye! Oh.
Good. If somebody chatting, kill the time. Good.
Yeah. Bye. Thank you.
Hello. Bye.
Oh my god, I look like makeup.
Diyos ko po, yung naghahanap ka ng snake plant. And then, andito pala, ang daming snake plant. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Another snake plant.
You can bring your pot. I can do something.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
don't know.
Ang gala is pauwi na, ka-blessed. Grabe, hindi naman namalaya ng oras. Ano na pala? Tawag na ito. Alas 2 na, ka-blessed. Ano ba yan? Sarap-sarap ng pintuhan namin. So, ayan. May friendship na tayo dito, ka-blessed. Pwede na makakagala. Maglakad-lakad dito. O, diba? Ang galing-galing lang. So, si Moana magiging happy. May friendship na kami dito. See you sa bahay, ka-blessed. Bahay na tayo, ka-blessed. Ano na? 2:10 na. So, charge muna kayo. Tara, ka-blessed. Sundo time. Sunduin natin ang ating Moana. So, it's 2:57. Little bit walk and then we get there. Hindi kami nakapag tawag niya ni Marcel kasi nga nabisi na ako doon sa chat sa ating new friends. O, diba? Alam mo yun, parang ang saya-saya mo may nakilala kang kaibigan, Asian people, at alam mo makakasundo mo. Kakatuwa lang. So abangan nyo yung vlog na to. I-edit ko to mamaya para bukas ma-upload, kasi kanina ko lang na-upload yung kahapon na vlog natin kasi nga kakauwi ko lang din. O, diba tayo nangalagan. I'm back. Gabi na. So, hindi ako nakapag-vlog kanina pag uwi namin ni Moana from school. Kasi nag-busy kami ka-chika-chika ng new friends ko. So, makikita nyo sa vlog ko ngayon. Balak namin sana pupunta ng bahay nila para mga bata maglaro. But, si Moana is nakatulog, ka-blessed. Then, parehas kami nakaidlip. Bumangon kami is mag-alas 7 na. So, ngayon, I'm going to end this vlog. So, good night, ka-blessed. Moana. See you tomorrow.
Tomorrow, Mommy.
Naka-blessed. Bye-bye. Thank you so much. God bless you all.